Hi there, students. A minnow or minnows. Okay, a minnow is a really small, this sort of size, freshwater fish. Phoxinus phoxinus, I think, is the technical name for it. But we use this phrase, a minnow, in English to talk about something that is insignificant, something that's very small. You could use the phrase about a person or a company. For example, the Green Party in the UK is a minnow compared to the Conservative or Labour parties. So it's quite small and insignificant compared to something much, much bigger. My small boat was a minnow compared to the oil tankers that were in the port. Or my boat felt like a minnow in the storm that was raging. It was a minnow compared to the huge waves that were moving through the sea. This company is a minnow compared to the banks. I was driving a Mini along the motorway, and my Mini was a minnow compared to the huge trucks that were roaring down the road. Okay, so a minnow. A minnow is it's a small freshwater fish. I'm sure you've seen them. But we use it to mean something very small and insignificant compared to something else. So, what about formality? You can definitely use this word a minnow in an informal conversation. And I think you can also use it in a very formal document. Our organisation is a minnow compared to the companies that we are dealing with. Yeah. I'm going to take the Bank of England to court, even though I am a minnow. Okay? So, I was talking about formality. I think I would probably give this 5 in formality. But you can use it informally, and I think you could use it formally as well. I think probably you need to say what one thing is a minnow compared to another, but you could just say a minnow. Yeah, in YouTube, my channel is a minnow. Okay, it's a tiny little one. There are much, much bigger ones out there. Okay, so a minnow, a small fish. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A minnow.